Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing Zara blazer must have for autumn winter, and if you don't want to miss any pieces, continue watching. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you are very welcome. Guys, the first number I will be sharing for this fall winter is this number here. Look at this gorgeous of this blazer. You will see it on the cutter, the fit, the look, the elegance, and it has these details of silver button. I decided to start with this type of number because what I love about this number is very elegant, it's chic, and it's a little bit heavyweight, so it's very season appropriate. What I love about the fact that they have this silver button, so something that is very work friendly, business appropriate. It's not golden button, it's not all over the place, although golden button depends on the blazer, look very nice and chic and expensive. I love this type of number. I decided to start with this type of number that is very subtle, it's very simple, but at the same time it's going to improve your art. The fact that they have white, black, blue, so you can play with it. It's something that you can really add a basic white t-shirt with your blue denim, with your sneakers, you are ready to go. So let me know what you think about this lovely number. I think this type of number is very classic pieces, is evergreen, you can go wrong. Guys, the next number I will be sharing is this amazing number. I will say this number here is evergreen. Just look at the details. The fact that they have this shining vibe, I will say it depends on your weather, depends on where you are living. This number here, what I love about it, you can still use it as coat because it is very heavyweight. And if you have opportunity to go to Zara, I will say give it a try. Zara have it every year, although it's a little bit expensive one, but the fact that it's very heavyweight, so it will keep you warm. It's those blazers that you can really style almost winter even without your coat. So depends on your weather, depends on your season. I will say this number here is amazing. I love the elegant, the chic. The fact that we take a basic jeans to this next level, I will say this number here is win-win. A blue denim, black denim, light wash, just name it. If you have opportunity to have those lovely bodycon dress with this number, you will look put together in evening art. I love this type of elegant classic number. Look at the details of the button. I will say wow, this is class and chic. Autumn, winter, you are ready to go. You can also decide to have, if you don't have a lot of blazer, I will say give this number a try because this will work all over again for different occasions, for work, for business. You are ready to go. Guys, since we are talking about season appropriate, we are talking about something that looks very trendy, elegant, chic. Look at the number I have here. Look at these details. I call it jacket because most of the time I style it as jacket, although it's a blazer because it's a little bit heavyweight. Although it's cropped, but it's very heavyweight, so it's something that will keep you warm. What I will say about this blazer is that go to your true size or size up because it's a little bit restrictive, so it depends on the way you like to style your fashion. If you want to add oversized jumper, I will say size up. This number is amazing, and for size reference I decided to pick this in L. Just look at the details. I just love this military fit. I think with a basic dress in the evening art, you will just give that dress something different, something elegant, something chic and put together. And the fact that the button is the same color with the jacket, so it's very evening art appropriate. And if you want to style it for daily, a black cami with your black denim, with your sneakers, you are ready to go. I will say this number here is very lovely. Guys, since we are talking about classic, look at the number I have here. You can't go wrong with neutral because this type of neutral is something that you can style as color, depends on where you are going, depends on your destination. You can take this as a color, you can take it as a neutral, you can take it as brown, so depends on the items you are adding to it. I will say a white cami with a light wash jeans, this number here with sneakers, it will just look like a neutral or white. Depends on your total black outfit, this will work as brown. So depends on the items you are going to add to it. So if you want to see me do video styling the way you can style blazer for this autumn winter outfit, let me know. I will take in consideration. I would really like to do that type of video. I think it's very useful for different type of destination. I would like to do that type of video. Look at the number I have here. Look at just the length. I think this length is amazing. This number, particular number, you can go to your true size or you can size that. So it depends on your sense of fashion. I will say don't size up because you're a little bit oversized. And this is the latest number on my wardrobe. Zara still have it on shop. It's amazing, it's gorgeous, it's classic. I love this type of neutral that I can really decide the destination. I can decide the way to style it because the neutral is very settled. Since we are talking about classic, I will say this number here is classic of all classic. We have brown, we have chocolate. So this type of number you can go wrong. It goes well with different type of skin because of the type of the brand you have. The fact that you have this finish of chocolate, so you can just add your total black outfit with your denim, your tee, you are ready to go. Or even with a floral, any floral dress that have details of yellow or brown or white, this number will take it to the next level. I just love the business effect, the fact that they look very chic and expensive. It's those type of number you invest your money for because it's a classic number. It's evergreen. It's something that you will style all over again. This number here does not have season. It's something that does not have, it's timeless. And that's what I love about this blazer, that it goes well and it always makes you look put together, and it's very appropriate. It's not screaming at all. So if you are going for business, you are going for work, for more official place, I will say give this number a try. It's very chic, very business appropriate. I love this type of number that is very chic. It's settled, so it's not screaming. So it's something that going to give you that elegance, that class, but without overdoing it. Guys, since we are talking about classic, we can't go wrong with a brown blazer for autumn winter. It's must have. It's like a black blazer. It's classic. It's evergreen. Just look at the number I have here. And if something that you have interest for, Zara have exactly this blazer on their website, on their shop. So it's something that you have interest for, and the price is not all over the place. Just look at the details of the button. I love this type of number because those days that I want to look dress up, I really want to look very polished, I will say a light wash denim with your white tee. This number here with your ankle boots, you are ready to go. It's very chic, very bougie. It will make you look very expensive and put together. And if you decide to dress it up, I will say just add a simple white cami, you are ready to go. You will look like money. I love this number. And for size reference, this number here is L. I will say this number here is gorgeous. A classic pieces, you can't go wrong with this type of number. It's something that you can style all over again with your massive dress, your short dress, those floral dress, sleeve dress that you have for winter. This number here, you will work with it because it's brand, it goes with lots. Guys, look at the amazing number I have here. We have green, neutral, and light green and dark green. You can't go wrong. We know that this year is all about green, so I decided to bring these trendy pieces to it because you know that green is part of the fashion of this year. But at the same time, especially if you are somebody that is shying away from those green that is too sharp, I will say give this number a try. You feel that it has this dark green, light green, a neutral, so it's a little bit settled. It's something that you can really play with. What I love about this number is that it goes with other type of denim, other type of color. You will see it on the cut out. It's something that is very easy to style. I love items that is easy to style, and it have the finish of silver button. I will say this number here is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the length. It's a little bit oversized and it's heavyweight. So I will say go to your true size or size, and it have these details on the shoulder part on the shoulder. I will say this number here is gorgeous. And for size difference, this number here is large. Guys, look at the number we have here. We can't go wrong with this type of number. I want you to concentrate on the details. Look at it. You have this a little bit masculine effect. I think it's very elegant. It's a little bit oversized. I don't know if you can see the length. I will say go to your true size or size down. I hope you can see the back. I hope you can see the details. It's very masculine. I would say if you are searching for a blazer that is a little bit feminine, I would say take something else. This number here, what I love about it, that you look very chic. It's very good. I would say size down or go to your true size. Because this particular number, it looks like almost a men blazer. So it depends on your sense of fashion, depends on your style, depends on the way you like styling your items. I would say size down. This is what I would say about this blazer. I love it for, especially those days I want to wear leggings, jeggings, just name it. This number will take you to the next level. Or even with those basic black dress, just look at the details. So it's very oversized, very dark fit effect. So personally, I love it. I think it's something different I add to my wardrobe. Guys, look at these classic pieces I have here. I will say this number here is very elegant. Although it's in part of those pricey one from Zara, but I just love the fit and the class. I think this number here is very winter, autumn appropriate because you can really style it all over again. Look at the details from the back. I will say this type of number is something that you can really style to work, to church, to business, to those official places. Although for evening out, with a total black outfit, you will take this number with your pairs of sandals or pairs of boots. You will take this number to the next level. You will see it on the cutter. Look at the details. I will say this number here is a very classic pieces, but it's something that you made in your wardrobe. You can really play with this type of number. I love items that is not picky, items that I can really style. Navy blue, light wash jeans, black pairs of trouser. I'm ready to go. I can really play with this number in autumn winter. Guys, look at the next number I have. I would say this gray blazer is very oversized. I just love the oversized effect. If you are searching for a blazer that is very oversized, I would say give this number a try. Look at the details. It's amazing, and you have this warm button effect. The length is amazing. With your bodycon dress, with your leggings, jeggings, and something that you can always style daily, since the button is not all over the place. It's just items that you can really play with. I would say this type of number is very work friendly because the button is not all over the place. It's very simple, it's casual. With your ankle boots, with your denim, you are ready to go. So let me know what you think about this number. Guys, thinking about autumn winter, I think you can go wrong with orange blazer, because orange blazer is something that is must have. Because if you pay attention to your floral skirt or winter floral dress, you will always find something orange on it or yellow. So I would say give this number a try. I love this number because it's very elegant and chic. I would say this number here is part of those expensive ones, a little bit more elegant, more chic. But for your evening out, your total black outfit, your floral skirt, with this type of number you can go wrong. Or for daily you are going to work, I would say a black cami, a black denim with your ankle boots, your black bag, you are ready to go. It's just a way to add an inch of color to your winter autumn outfit, but without overdoing it. I love orange color in winter time. I think it looks put together. It's very tasteful, and the color is very season appropriate. You will see it on the cutter. The fit of this blazer is amazing. I would say in terms of fit, is one of my favorite because the fit is amazing. It's gorgeous. It will just make you look put together, very bougie and expensive. So it's just a way to add an inch of color, but at the same time without overdoing it. I really love this number. Guys, talking about autumn winter, we all know that red is the classic winter autumn color. We can't go wrong when we think about color. So I decided to add these two colors because some of us, I know that we like inch of color to our wardrobe, to our outfit for winter autumn. So I say red is very season appropriate. It's very something that you can really play with. This number here, you can style it with blue, with black, with light wash, that just name it. With your pencil skirt, you are ready to go. If you have any amazing black pencil skirt with this number, with your cami, wow, it's very bossy, very business appropriate. And look at this amazing number. I would say this blazer is very elegant and chic. I hope you can see the details of the button. I decided to share these few pieces because I think this number I share, they are more winter autumn appropriate. And if you want to see me, you want me to do video that is very details, how to style blazer for winter and autumn, let me know. Leave me comment below. I will take in consideration. I love doing that type of video, but I think it's very useful for business, for work, for evening out. Let me know. This number here, I really love it because it's something I know that I can style for evening out and I can style it for daily. And if this is the first time you are seeing my video, don't forget to give me a YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video from me. And you are very welcome. My name is Zara.